everyone. We're going to get started with doing the germination and growth in plants. In other words, this is the experiment to test for what acid rain effects do on plants. Not only are we going to be looking at the effects of acid rain on plants, but also on germination. But first thing that you need to do is let's work on part 2. And you've got 2 peat pots in your kit. Now, your peat pots that come in your kit are probably a little bit smaller than this. They probably won't be this large. And then you also have a bag of potting soil. And in the bag, they have the potting soil in these tiny little bags here. And I think there's about 10 of them that come in here. First thing that you're going to do is put the potting soil in. And you'll also notice some little granules in this little potting soil, and this is the fertilizer, so you don't need to worry about fertilizing this at all. It comes automatic in this. So let's dump this in. Be certain to hold back 2 bags of this potting soil for a later experiment. Do not use all of it. You'll also need to use some radish seeds. This package comes pre-packed in the kit, and probably about 10 seeds for each one, and I've kind of laid those out here. And what you're going to do is kind of sprinkle them on the top, break up any clumps that you might see here, kind of sprinkle them on top, and then just kind of push them down in the ground. They don't need to go very far in the ground, just a little bit. Do the same thing for the other pot. And at this time, let's not worry so much about labeling them. Next week, when we start to see some plant growth, we'll label these pots. But the main thing is to get these seeds to start growing. Add some water. Keep them moist. As you can see, they leaked, so you may want to put a little pan underneath these, put them in a nice, warm, sunny location, and let them grow.